How to add a payment method, whether it's a card or wallet in Grab. First of all, open the Grab app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the Payment tab located in the bottom middle bar on the home screen. Once you are in the payment section, you will see options such as Activate your GrabPay Wallet, Add a card, and more. If you want to add a card, choose the Add a card option, where you can use either a debit card or a credit card. You will be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. After filling in the details, tap Continue to add the card. If you would prefer to add a wallet, select Activate your GrabPay wallet instead. Fill in your details such as your name, place of birth, and more to complete the process. Simply follow the further instruction, and once completed, your wallet will be added to your payment method. Once your payment method is added, you can set it as your default payment method for convenience. And that's it. Now you know how to add a payment method in Grab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.